In the heart of Paris, 1905, a colorful revolution unfolded at the Salon d'Automne. Critics accustomed to the traditional hues of realism were met with a striking sight: trees painted in electric blue and skies dripping with crimson. This was no ordinary gallery. It was a fierce riot of color that challenged the very essence of artistic expression. One audacious critic exclaimed, "Donatello among the wild beasts." Thus Fauvism emerged, boldly embodying the art of untamed color, where the brushstrokes danced freely, allowing emotions to flourish on canvas. Fauvism, translating to wild beasts in French, started as an insult but quickly transformed into a badge of honor for its pioneers. The Fauvist artists reveled in their disregard for realism and traditional perspectives. Instead of imitating the world, they painted their feelings, drenching their canvases in vibrant, emotive colors. Imagine a green face glowing with life, a beach blooming in shades of purple, and a sky ablaze with red. These artists decided that the language of art need not be restrained by the confines of reality. There were no rules, only the freedom to express what they felt, unhinged and vivid. At the helm of this colorful movement was Henri Matisse, a quiet visionary with an ear attuned to the symphony of colors. He perceived color as music, not simply a decorative afterthought but a profound expression of emotion. In his iconic piece, Woman with a Hat, his wife's visage ignited with bursts of wild greens and oranges. Critics wailed in dismay, yet Matisse simply smiled, declaring, "I don't paint things, I paint the difference between them." His art became a celebration of color's power to evoke and resonate beyond the visual realm, capturing the viewer's heart and soul. Alongside Matisse, André Derain brought a dynamic energy to Fauvism, exploring the interplay of light and color during their time in the sun-drenched village of Collioure. The Mediterranean landscape inspired them both. They captured boats and buildings in vibrant blocks, transforming shadows into vivid blues and branches into neon greens. Derain proclaimed, "Colors were liberated," and indeed they echoed a newfound freedom that pulsed with life, explosive, rhythmic, and deeply felt. Fauvism was defined by these principles. There was no guidebook, but the essence was unmistakably present in the vivid hues, simplified forms, and palpable energy of their work. It was raw, spirited, and invigorating, a fleeting yet transformative chapter in art history. Although Fauvism flared brightly only from 1905 to 1908 before artists moved on to different pursuits, its impact was immeasurable, paving the way for future movements. Fauvism carved a pathway for expressionism, guiding it into darker territories while influencing abstract art. The Fauves declared their independence from artistic conventions, proving that art could create its own vibrant universe. In a world often shrouded in grayness, the Fauves gifted us a kaleidoscope of unapologetic color, a reminder of the beauty and joy to be found in unrestrained expression.